If you don't like lag but still do intense gaming, then the ASUS ROG Strix G16 is for you. This 2024 model packs a punch with an Intel Core i7-1365HX processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU. Say goodbye to slow load times with the 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD and 16GB of DDR5 RAM. Its 16-inch FHD 165Hz display makes your games look stunning, with vibrant colors and smooth gameplay. Plus, the sleek, durable design and comfortable keyboard make long gaming sessions a breeze. Worried about overheating? The robust cooling system keeps things cool, even when the action heats up. And with Wi-Fi 6E, you're always connected. Sure, it has average battery life and can get a bit noisy, but with fast charging and powerful performance, the Strix G16 has got your back. Looking for a gaming beast that won't break the bank? The ASUS ROG Strix G16 is your go-to. Game on!